This is grade 4, module 2, lesson 3, and the objective in this lesson is to express metric capacity measurements in terms of a smaller unit. Model and solve addition and subtraction word problems involving metric capacity. So now we're going to be talking about liters because we're talking about capacity. So the students need to know that 1 liter is equal to 1,000 milliliters. Okay, and we're going to be looking at homework problem number 3, and we're looking at C and D. And it says express the answer in the smaller unit, and the smaller unit is milliliters. Okay, so we have 27 liters, 576 milliliters, plus 784 milliliters. So 27 liters is equal to 27, and I like to do it this way, times 1 liter, which is equal to 27 times, now I know 1 liter is equal to 1,000 milliliters. 27 times 1,000 is 27,000 milliliters. Okay, so I have 27,000 milliliters, and then I'm adding the 576 to give me 27,576 milliliters, and I'm adding 784 milliliters. Okay, so add those together, and that gives me a sum of 28,360 milliliters. So I'm looking at D, and D says express the answer in the smallest unit. Now this one is also using 27 liters, and I did the conversion over here, and I know that 27 liters is equal to 27,000 milliliters. So I'm going to write 27,000 milliliters, and I'm adding 3,100 milliliters. Okay, and that gives me a sum of 30,100 milliliters. So we're going to look at homework question number 5. And homework question 5 says, at football practice, the water jug was filled with 18 liters, 530 milliliters of water. At the end of practice, there were 795 milliliters left. How much water did the team drink? So for this problem, we have to use a tape diagram to model the problem. And we're going to solve using a simplifying strategy or an algorithm, and we're going to write our answer as a statement. So what I'm going to do first is write my target sentence, and that reads, the team drank blank liters, blank milliliters of water. So for our tape diagram, let's write the tape here. So the full water jug was 18 liters, 530 milliliters. But there was this much left, which was 795 milliliters. So we want to know how much the team drank. Okay, so we're going to take 18 liters, 530 milliliters, and we're going to subtract 795 milliliters. Okay, now in order to do that, we're going to have to convert one of these liters, so now we have 17 liters, and turn it into milliliters. So we have 1,530 milliliters minus 795 milliliters, and that gives us 735 milliliters, and we still have our 17 liters over here. So now I can fill in the blanks of my sentence, and it says the team drank 17 liters, 735 milliliters of water. Now remember, we could do the same thing by converting them all to milliliters, and I'll do that for you. So it would be 18,530 milliliters, and we're subtracting 795 milliliters. Okay? And that gives us a difference of 17,735 milliliters.